In this video, I will show you how to stop a Google Ads campaign. So if you want to stop running a campaign, what you can do is just open up Google Ads, then in the campaign section, click on the campaign dropdown, and from there click campaigns. Then here you will find all of your campaigns, and here in the left you can see the ones with the green circle are the ones that are currently active. Now what you want to do is just tick the box on all of the campaigns that you want to stop, and that can either mean pause or delete. So for example, I'll just do this one, and then from there I'm going to click edit, and then here you have enable, pause or remove. So if you want to pause them and you still want to keep them in your account, then click pause and they then won't spend any more money. If you want to fully remove them, go and click remove and then click confirm, and then you will see that it is going to be removed from my campaigns. So now I only have one. So that's how we can stop a Google Ads campaign. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.